Zone 6, nigga. Pirate, whipper.
Pirate. Hey, pirate. Cook up.
Alright, so dang, my voice is cracked. me. Alright, hopefully I ain't got that little wrong. Alright, but so we at the end of the video, but it's really the beginning. I ain't really know how I want to do my intro, but we gonna do it now. So I'm Freddie. I'm back at you. I go by Trendsetter, Drip Master, Drip Lord, Drip Guide, Fleece the Fred, because I take pictures. I'm putting my portfolio in the bio, in the little description, all that. And today I'm coming at y'all with a fit video. So I'm just showing my fits that I really want to, you know what I'm saying, when outside open, I want to show off, and I'm gonna post. So make sure y'all follow me. My Instagram and Twitter gonna be at the end of the video. So yeah, make sure y'all do that. And fam, enjoy the video. I'm gonna be here. I ain't going nowhere. So go ahead, like, subscribe, comment what y'all want to see next. Cause I'm here. Alright? Alright.
Pineapple crush, it's so dirty. Yeah. Come and get your bitch, she so thirsty. Yeah. I'm finna pass her to the gang, yes, Sirski.
Yes, sir.
Hey, but for real. Alright, so this is the first outfit. So it's just t-shirt, jeans, Converse. Converse come in clutch for real. Like, they my favorite shoe just because they go with any and almost everything. I can just throw them on. So yeah, y'all gonna be seeing them a lot. Where the shirt came from, this shirt, like, honestly, like, might have got it for free. It was at Walmart. I might have got it for free. I ain't gonna lie to you. But hey, don't tell nobody. I got this from this website called Boohoo Man. I suggest them. It was like $20. And I got the pants from, everybody got this store in the mall where they just sell the jeans real cheap for like 20. So yeah, that's his whole outfit. Yeah. Alright, so I'm back. Got another outfit for y'all. Same thing for the most part. I don't pay too much for my outfits. I try not to. Learn it from my mama for real. We just don't go all out like that. We go all out, but we don't go all out of pocket, if you go outside. Yeah, you understand. Yeah, you understand. Alright, so these came from the thrift store. These starter jogger pants. Come up close. At the thrift store, that was a little high thrift store. They was doing too much. And I just got these Converse. These Converse so raw. And yeah, I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. They're just some playful shoes. Real cool. And I got this shirt. Got on sale at Urban Outfitters. You know what I'm saying? And I got the 3 on the hat customized. Yeah. This fit clean for real. Yeah, for real. These jogger pants, they really come in handy. Say, you know what I'm saying, you try to get straight to it. You know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying,
I'm faded, feeling X-rated. It's Mr. Nasty time. Oh, Mr. Nasty time. Mr. Nasty time.
Oh, y'all wonder, yeah, this is a cup. It's cold in this house. Y'all let the cat be slipping. Get out of here. Alright, so the next fit I got for y'all, this is that 2000s, you know what I'm saying? Hot Boys.
I'm about to call with a can, smoke something like a dog.
The hot boys.
But back to it. Thrift store. This pants, where the pants from. Yeah, money jeans, Levi's. They was like 10. The shirt actually cost more than the pants, which is really crazy to me. The shirt was like probably like 15. Yeah, I got it big. I really like big clothes. I like any type of clothes. That's why in this video, y'all gonna see like a whole, really all my videos, y'all gonna see like a different bunch of styles. But I just like fashion. But this how I'm wearing it now. Honestly, how I would wear this, I'm about to change it to it now. Because I don't really like, if I am wearing a big shirt, I don't like to hang out. Alright, then the last clip, I don't think I showed y'all the shirt. I needed to. But yeah, the shirt is fine for real. With all the Hot Boys on it. They ain't got the track this on the back. You know what I'm saying? It really something I go skating in, you know what I'm saying? Just, I really gotta start saying, you know what I'm saying? Somebody comment me another little phrase I can say besides that, cause god dang. Anyway, so I took my shirts in. They really save a lot of my outfits. I don't know what it do. It just put like a different look on it than keeping it out. Cause I just feel like that shirt was way too long on me and it really ain't fit right. But when you tuck it in, I don't know, it's just a different look. And alright guys, coming up on the last one. You know what I'm saying? This is one I just recently posted. So this was fun. It take me real long to start on anything, honestly, for real. But when I do start, I really get into it, just like how I'm getting to this YouTube thing. But I made these pants myself. You see, I added the patch on the side, all that. These joggy pants was like probably like $5 each. Just bought 2, cut them, then I stitched them together. You know, I had to put the fours on. I ain't bought no Jordans in a long time, but when I saw these, they came out, I had to come get them. So I got these, and then I got this. This shirt is legendary. I'm sorry, I got this at Walmart though. Dang, how much was it at Walmart? It was probably like 10, I want to say, at Walmart. But this is perfect, cause you know we in quarantine or whatever. And shit, I'm sad just like that. Yeah. I'm ready to get back outside. But this is a quick lift. The stitch is coming out, so I'm gonna just hold this down. Like I said, first time, so don't get on me too bad. But yeah.
Wash your hands and wash your ass to get rid of the coronavirus. Wash your hands and wash your ass and get rid of the coronavirus. Wash your hands.
Shit sound like water. Shit sound like the ocean. Shit sound like nation.